My name is Sudarshan Reddy from CSCG section. Today my topic is read elements into 2D array. Subject name is Introduction to Programming. Subject code is 23CSC01. My roll number is 244G1A05CS. Today my topic name is read elements into 2D array in C. Now see, introduction to 2D arrays. 2D arrays are used to store data in a matrix format. Each element in a 2D array can be accessed using two indices. They are commonly used in applications like image processing and matrix. Declaring a 2D array. A 2D array can be declared using the syntax type array name rows by columns end with semicolon. For example, int matrix 3 by 4 end with semicolon defines a 3 cross 4 integer array. The size of the array must be defined at compile time in C. Initializing a 2D array. You can initialize a 2D array at the time of declaration. For example, int matrix 2 by 3 equal to 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6 end with semicolon. Initializes a 2D array. Uninitialized elements default to 0 if not explicitly set. User input reading elements from. The scanf function can be used to input values from the user. To read elements into a 2D array, use nested loops for row and column indices. Ensure the input matches the expected data type to avoid runtime errors. Example code for reading 2D array. Here is a simple code snippet to read a 2D array. See, for int I equal 0, semicolon, I lesser than rows, I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j lesser than columns, j plus plus. After that, scanf percentile d address, that is stored in address of array I j end with semicolon. This code iterates through each element of the array. Each element is read one at a time for user input. Printing a 2D array. After reading elements into a 2D array, you may want to print them. Similar to reading, this also uses nested loops for iterating through the array. The printf function can be used to display the elements in a formatted manner. Example code for printing 2D array. The printing code look like this. See, for int I equal 0 semicolon j lesser than rows semicolon I plus plus. After that, for in the next loop for int j equal to 0 semicolon j lesser than columns semicolon j plus plus. Again printf percentile d comma array of I by j end with semicolon. Printf slash n end with semicolon. This code prints each row of the array on a new line. Common mistakes to avoid. Ensure that the indices used to access the array are within bounds. Forgetting to initialize the array can lead to unexpected results. Using the wrong format specifier in scanf can cause input errors. Performance considerations. Accessing elements in a 2D array is generally efficient due to contiguous memory allocation. Keep in mind that larger arrays consume more memory. Optimize your code to avoid unnecessary competitions in nested loops. Finally, the conclusion is reading elements into a 2D array is a fundamental skill in C programming. Mastering array manipulation enhances your ability to work with complex data structures. Practice with various examples to solidify your understanding of 2D array in C. Thank you for listening.